Seasonality is a comprehensive alert system that understands the life cycle of your plants. Using meteorological data from all around the world, we create a global climate model that compares the needs of your plants with the climate in your area. Using seasonality, the Parrot Flower Power gives you the most useful, timely, and accurate advice possible. Gauges is a quick and comprehensive way to know exactly how your plant is feeling. Thanks to Gauges, he knows exactly how much light his plants need to grow healthy and strong. Flower Power helps you take better care of your plants.